Hello geometry students. I'm going to demonstrate today how to construct a square given a side length of one of the sides of the square. So in this example here, I want to construct a square and I know that I'm given one of the sides, which is side AB. So what I'd like to do first is I'd like to understand the idea that a square has adjacent sides that are perpendicular. So because that's the case, I'm going to focus first in finding one side that's perpendicular to the one that's given to me right here. So in order to do that, I'm going to take one of the sides and I'm going to extend it past the vertex. It doesn't matter which one. So I decide to go with this side. I'm going to extend it past point A. Okay? So the reason why is because now I can create a line perpendicular to the given segment through point A. And we know how to do that already. We learned how to do that the other day in class. So I'm going to put my compass on A and I'm going to create a segment. Right? So I'm creating a segment. Use my compass. Okay. Now I'm going to make a perpendicular bisector of this segment here. Okay, we all know how to do that from past lessons. So I open up to more than halfway, and I'm going to mark, use the same setting from both sides. So now I have a point up here, I have point A, so I can now sketch the bisector here, the perpendicular bisector, or the perpendicular line through point A, I should say. Now I'm going to make this nice and long. And the reason why is because I don't want you guys to get confused. Oftentimes you think that this is the third vertex of the square, but that's not correct. That is just a marking to help me find the perpendicular line through point A. Now after I do this, it's quite simple. All I need to do is copy segments, which we know how to do already. So I know that my segment, my square, needs to have length AB. And because I know that all squares have congruent sides, all of the four sides should have the same length as AB. So what I do is I'm going to measure this side here, and then I'm going to copy that side on this segment here that I created before. Now because I want this side to also be the length of this side, I'm going to do the same thing from that point that I just created. So now I make my marking here. Okay. Now I need to come down here and make sure that this side is also the same length. So from B, I now go ahead and make another marking. So what I've done here is I've created 4 vertices. One here, one here, one here, and one here. Now I take my straight edge and I connect the vertices. Okay, so what have I shown here? I've shown that it is a quadrilateral that has adjacent perpendicular sides when all sides are congruent. And there's my construction.